Welcome to my 6 a.m. productive morning routine. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to my morning. Come on in. Come on in. Okay, step one, I tie my hair like this. I have been told I look like a samurai, but like, no matter what day it is, productive or not, when I get up, first thing I do is skincare. I've gotten to the point where if I miss out my skincare routine, I feel guilty. I cannot, like, it's a good habit to have, to be fair. Use the CeraVe foaming cleanser. Now I am gonna use this exfoliant, Paula's Choice Exfoliate. This has been my favorite moisturizer, the Inky List Peptide Moisturizer. Since it's so early, I'm usually not hungry at this point, but I have breakfast anyway because I can't be productive until I have eaten. If I don't eat, I will just not stop thinking about food. I have moved back home, so I don't always have my usual breakfast. There's always a lot to eat here. Today, I am having a pineapple bun that my mum made along with some green tea. Now that I have eaten, I can start my day. For the past couple of years, I've realized that if I don't write things down, I end up forgetting what I need to do that day and I just end up not doing it. Also realize I just like checking things off a list. I guess it just makes me feel a little bit more productive, you know? Today is a Sunday. I usually would edit a video at this point, but I actually had no videos to edit. So I am creating something for my like social handles and like maybe like a subscribe animation or something because, you know, might as well. I got the time. So if you see it in this video, that means I actually liked it and I'm using it. Next, throughout the week, my room becomes a mess. I don't know what I do for it to turn into a mess within just a week, but it happens. So today we are cleaning it.
the money. Money.
So during me cleaning, I got a package from Cult Beauty, so here's just me opening it. This is not the size that I was expecting, but £40.
It's the money, it's the money, it's the money, yeah. It's the money, it's the money, it's the money.
And might as well, since I'm cleaning my room, is to just clean my makeup brushes. I actually have been really on it on washing my makeup brushes. I actually didn't really have many brushes to wash at all.
It's the money. Money.
After that, I really just spent the rest of my morning on my PC. I had a lot of documents to read and go through, so it's quite a boring morning, but it's a productive morning routine, just getting through my to-do list really.
It's the money. 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 It's the money, it's the money.